today I wanted to film kind of like a bronzy makeup look for summer. I know that my skin is still pretty pale because I am filming this before summer, but I still wanted to go ahead and film this because this is another look I really enjoy wearing during the summer. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to be using is the Benefit Professional Primer. So I'm just going to put a little of that on my finger and then blend it in my face. I'm just going to try and blend that really well. Once I've got that blended, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in Y205 and I'm going to use a beauty blender and I'm just going to put that on my face. Next up, I'm going to take the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer and put that under my eyes and on any spots. And I'm just going to use the beauty blender to blend that in. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to get a Moda M19 brush and I'm going to start with Heat Wave right here. I'm going to start with Heat Wave right here and I'm going to use that on my eyelids. It's pretty pigmented, so I'm not going to make it too much darker than that. Then once I've got that on the lid, I'm going to take an Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to take Daybreak and use that to blend out. Next up, I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to take a little bit of the color Plunge and go under my eyes halfway. Then I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush and I'm going to take salt and put it on my brow bone and inner corners. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my It by Force Pressed Powder and put that all over my face. Next up, I decided for this tutorial to bring out my Hoola bronzer, so I'm going to be using that. So this is a little bit dark, so I have to like really blend this one on myself, but I like it for like a more bronzy look. So I'm going to actually take my fingers now that I have some on and kind of like blend it like that. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Beauty Crop Lighting Crew highlighter and I'm just going to put that on my face. And I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. A little bit of this goes a long way, as you can see. Next up, I'm going to take my Benefit Gimme Good Brow and use that in my eyebrows. After that, I am actually going to take my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara and use that on my tops and bottom lashes. And then after that, I'm going to do the lips. For the lips, I just want to do something super simple. So I'm just going to take the YUL, my favorite lip gloss, and put that on my lips. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys!